Hi there, in this video, I will be giving you a quick guide on how you can create a new campaign in Google Ads. So please listen carefully to each steps that I will be explaining. This will help you set up campaigns correctly to reach your audience and drive results. So first, you will have to log into your Google Ads account. So go ahead and click the sign in button, or if you don't have one yet, then you should create one. So yeah, you will just have to sign into your Google Ads if you do already have an account. So make sure that your Google Ads account is already set up and all, so that you will be able to do the steps that I will be that I will be saying. So yeah, once you're in, you will just have to click campaigns and then click plus icon new campaign, and then you will choose your campaign goal, which is either sales, leads, website traffic, and so on. Select a campaign type, for example search, display, video, or whatever, and then you will name your campaign and choose the network settings like Google search network, and then you will set budget and bidding strategy according to your campaign goals, and then you will define your target audience, your locations, your languages, and your devices, and finally you will click save and continue and create your first ad group and ads. And that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I really hope it was helpful for you, and if it was, please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you and have a good day.